Gunggong! Barinig kita sa mukha eh!
Baba, may pinindrong yan. May labo yung buhok. Okay. After the drone fell off the trees, Jade went to look for it. He rang me immediately after he found it. It was lying down by the fence line, and I told him to place it on a flat surface to see if I can still fly it. Fortunately, it didn't break its wings and camera, but its two front landing legs are broken. After we got all the decent clips that we need, Jade and I went to the most popular stores in New Zealand, which are Noel Liming, Phoebe Tech, and JB Hi-Fi. Sadly, none of them had the parts that we were looking for. Minuli kayang pasyok kayang dalan adaping kayang kapampangan. Then I decided to browse online when I got home. I didn't stop searching for it until I finally found you.
Gago!
Sana all.
Then I found the Drone Express. It offers various parts and accessories of drone. And after 15 working days, the parcel has finally come from Australia. After an hour of placing the broken legs, I finally fixed it. As the drone lifts off again, it symbolizes that there's always hope and a reminder that no matter how hard life gets, there's always a way to put yourself back together. Life will teach various lessons and will sometimes push you through adversity that you never thought possible. On the other side of this hurdle though, remember to pick yourself back up and put yourself back together. Success can be a very lonely road, and if you dare to walk alone, you will. Perchance, I wind up being able to see the true potential in yourself and what you are really capable of enduring and overcoming. There will be times the road becomes tougher, the wind will start to get colder, and there will be times that you will doubt yourself. There will be times that you start questioning yourself if you are on the right path. As you walk along, you will get knocked down. You will get exhausted, and you will lose some of the determination and strength to get back up. Life will sometimes be unfair. It will break you physically, it will break you emotionally, and it will break you spiritually as it goes on. Days after days, months after months, and years after years. When you don't see any immediate progress, you will eventually grow discouraged and think that the dreams that you have are never going to happen. You are going to go through inevitable disappointments, setbacks, breakdowns, breakthrough, and sometimes failure. All of those are part of the process. Eventually, you will get through it. Though maybe with a few more scars than before. These scars become a lesson. Hence, the more you get scars, the more you become stronger and more resilient. Your scars will bring out the better version of you. The fight is not yet over. The war is just the beginning. It's worth believing and it's worth fighting. It's worth the risk and it's always worth the sacrifice. Do not let anyone crush your mentality. Do not let anybody convince yourself that you are nobody. Every time somebody says something to you, you should go do whatever it takes that is going to make them eat their words. I don't know your name. I don't know who you are. I don't know where you are. I just want to let you know that this is now the right time to chase your dreams. We don't know about tomorrow. Nobody does. If you're going to imagine yourself as what you are going to be, where you are going to be and what you can be, it will lead you to the place that you have been dreaming of. And when you feel like quitting, you have to remember why you started.
Yun guys, kakauwi ko lang sa bahay, no. So I started at 8 o'clock in the morning and now time check. Like it's almost 1 o'clock now. So yeah, sorry guys kung hindi ko na na-videohan yung mga ibang pangyayari kasi talagang nahihilo na ako sa sobrang gutom. And yeah, kaya saludo ako sa mga ibang OFW natin, lalo na yung mga nanay natin dyan na mamalupitan ng kanilang mga amo. Tapos di naman din ganun kalaki yung sahod nila pero tinitiis pa rin nila. Ito yung mga pangyayari na hindi nakikita ng mga pamilya natin sa Pilipinas. Sakala nila maganda maganda lagi yung buhay natin dito, hindi nila alam yung mga sacrifices na ginagawa natin para sa kanila. Iyak ako, grabe.
Huwag kayo iiyak.
So yun guys, ito na muna para sa vlog na to. Mabuhay lahat ng OFW natin dyan. Peace.
Then I found Drone Express. It offers